and welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Bespoke Realty. And today I would like to present to you this modern luxury 3+1 bedroom in Porto de Mós, over 170 square meters on a plot of 1,009 square meters. The location of this property is just minutes walk to the most picturesque beach, Porto de Mós, and it's minutes to town. It's next to the Boa Vista Golf Resort. It's very close to international schools, 1 hour away from international airport, and a comfortable drive to Lisbon. Orientation of this property is southeast, meaning enjoying a lot of natural light. It is split over 2 levels. The grand entrance is open to the above, open concept living and dining, and it's connected to the modern luxury kitchen, fully equipped with the Bosch appliances. It's a stone island. Next to the kitchen there is a laundry room fully equipped and the 2-car garage. On this level there is 1 ensuite, and the next level has 2 more en-suites and 1 optional. All these bedrooms have terraces and balconies. The other features of this property include the roof terrace with the solar panels, underfloor heating, a 12x4 heated swimming pool, LED lights, built-in cooling and heating system, and a lot more you can check on the link below. So thank you for taking this video tour with us. If you like this property, please reach out and I will be happy to present this to you. This has been Cheers from Porto de Mós.